Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something about my habanero peppers and my cayenne. So after I harvested it, I washed it and kinda drain it. Or you can also put a paper towel on top of it so it will kinda stay drier before doing something about it. So I decided to dehydrate. Yung ano po, habanero ay napakaanghang po talaga. So, it is recommended that you use gloves. And then, kasi manipis yung dehydrator ko. So, hiniwa ko siya ng half. Just enough na hindi magkaroon ng gap yung dehydrator ko kung i-file ko. So, pwede pong paghiwalayin mo yung cayenne at saka habanero if you prefer na i-gamitin sila ng different ways. Kasi mas maanghang po talaga yung habanero compared sa cayenne. So, pwede mo siyang i-stack with other peppers. Hiniwalay ko po yung cayenne. Kasi iba din yung color niya at saka iba yung paggamitan ko compared sa habanero. It is recommended na gumamit ng gloves kasi if in case na may makati or something may touch ka, hindi po magpasa yung maanghang na dagta ng sili doon sa hahawakan mo. Kaya lalo na pag sa mata, mahirap po talaga. So after my stack ay pwede na po siyang takpan. I used 135 Fahrenheit for about 12 hours or until ganito na siya, crumbly na yung texture niya. And then you can store it in a ziplock or sa jars, and then you store it in a cool, dry place. I basically use my cayenne for cooking and then the habanero for sausawan. Ito na siya!